Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to talk about how you can leave a chat in the Field app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. First and foremost, all you need to do is simply open your Field app. So scroll through your home screen and tap open your Field app, and once you open your app you will end up in the selection page of the app. So now first of all you need to simply like a partner by clicking on the love heart sign, and once you do so you need to go to the chat box like icon and tap it on. Once you do this you will end up in the chat page of your Field app. And from here, all you need to do is simply tap on the icon where the profile of the people are being shown. So once you simply tap it, you can be in a page where you can leave a chat for them. So this is how you simply leave a chat on the Field app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.